Hello once again to an exciting video dealing with the surface area of a sphere. Okay, hey, here's the equation, 4 pi r squared. And you're like, how am I going to do that? Well, let's say that the radius was 5. Then the surface area would be 4 times 3.14 times 5 squared. Okay, so if you don't want to square and you know how to do the number in your head, you know that 5 squared is 25, duh. So 4 times 3.14 times 25, 314. Okay, and surface area would be like squared whatevers. Okay, yesterday volume would have been cubic meters, cubic liters, liters probably. But now we're back to square. Okay, because surface area is the outside portion. Like how much paint would it take to paint the outside of that ball? Well, that's surface area. But if I said, how much paint would it take to fill in that entire ball, like pour it into it, like if you could cut the top and it was hollow and then you started pouring paint, that's volume. Okay, so there's a difference. All right, so let's do one more and I'll be done. Oh no, what if the diameter is given? What shall we do? Let's say that the diameter was 12. Well, that means if diameter is 12, the radius is 6. So then the surface area would be 4 times 3.14 times 6 squared, but everybody knows 6 squared is 36. Okay, so 4 pi r squared. So it's going to be 4 times 3.14 times 36. Hit equals, and you get 452.16. Okay, and I think on the directions on the worksheet, it's multiple choice again. So it's split, like half the problems have a radius. I'm trying to get to it right now. It's on my desk. There we go. Okay, so, oh no it isn't. Interesting. What in the tartar sauce happened to it? Huh. Normally I would blame one of my students. I found it. And I still blame one of my students. Okay, let me look at this here worksheet. Because we're not even to 3 minutes. We have time. Okay, there we go. There we go. So yesterday you guys did 1 through 8. And now today you're going to do 9 through 16. The first 4, 9, 10, 11, and 12, are a radius. And the second 4, 13, 14, 15, 16, are a diameter. Okay, some of y'all were using the pi button on your calculator instead of 3.14, but I'm almost positive the worksheet uses 3.14. Hang on. 4 times 3.14 times squared. Oh! Hold, please. 4 times... Where's pi? Where's the pi button? Where's the pi button? Oh, okay. So no wonder. So, on the video yesterday, you were like, hey, hang on a second. My answers don't match up exactly. That's because the computer program generator thingy that made this used the pi button on their calculator. Didn't use 3.14, but actually used 3.1415, blah, 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 blah. It used that whole thing. Okay, so yes, there were some rounding issues then yesterday, and yes, there will be some rounding issues today. Just pick the one that's closest to it, and everybody will be happy. And I say to you, good day.